Hey guys, this video is going to cover everything I did this week as a biohazard cleaner. So jumping straight into it, this Monday, we came across a client who was going through some pretty serious mental health struggles, and he was unable to keep his home in a safe condition. We have animal remains beginning to pile up big time here in the hallway and the staircase. So that means urine also drenched these carpets, and we're gonna have to do some pretty serious work here to get that odor lifted up. This was the dining area alongside the kitchen, and if we take a look inside the fridge here, we will find some dead buggies beginning to pile up. Also, under the sink and all throughout the house was rodent feces, so that's going to need to get disinfected for sure. Here was the upstairs office. We're mainly looking at a big pile of clothes here to go through, so that shouldn't be too hard. This is the living room, and what's interesting about this is the client warned us about several handguns buried here, so we're going to want to be extra careful in this room to not let anything go off. Here is the downstairs bathroom. It was piled up super high with trash, so we had to get it down to here first, which was a bit more manageable. And now we can actually see the toilet, so we're making pretty great progress on this so far. We finished off the bathroom and it got nice and shiny for our client, so I'm really stoked with the way that turned out. Now, how does it get this bad, you might ask? Well, things like this are usually a trauma response. Most people don't wake up one day and decide they want to live in squalor. But what is true is our client decided that enough was enough and wanted me and the team at Harmony Environmental to help take care of him. So we got his kitchen all cleaned up and turned it from this over to this. I even got his kitchen sink restocked with scrub daddies and some cleaning agents to help him carry on forward. Now, for the dog feces, we ended up ripping up all the carpet because they were so badly damaged. The urine soaked into the floorboards underneath the carpet, so we had to bust out an enzyme-based cleaner, and that ended up helping a lot with getting the odor out. Enzyme cleaners are goated. Next, we got his office room from this over to this, and I think the client's going to be really happy with the way his office turned out because it's just so nice working in a place that's clutter-free. We spent most of the day Tuesday carefully sorting through the living room for his belongings, and we got it down to this. So nothing like a fresh start for our clients. It really makes me happy to see this guy on the right track again, and I'm really excited for his progress going forward. So that wraps up Monday and Tuesday, but I got to go to bed early because... All right, it's about 6 in the morning. The patrol lineup for the North County Sheriff's Department starts in about 5 minutes, and I'm going to go in with some donuts and present to them with what I do, doing the blood cleanup, and hopefully they refer us out to some more job sites in the future. Feeling kind of tired, woke up at like 4:30 to show up for this, but yeah, I think it should be good. Should get some more connections, and yeah, it's just good to be in front of the police department as much as you can. So this is a major play when it comes to marketing. You're going to want to put your materials next to your food so they can feast on your goodies while you go and present whatever it is that you want to present. Hi guys, I'm Jacob. I'm with Harmony Environmental. We're the bio cleaning company that does your squad cars when your detainees piss and vomit in the back seats. Now, even though I've done these presentations in the past, I still get a little nervous when I walk into a room full of officers that are armed and vested. It's just a little nerve-wracking for whatever reason. But I got all of my presentations done today at 6 a.m. and 2 p.m., so by the time I got home, it was about a 14-hour day. And now tomorrow we have another cleaning project, which I'm really stoked about, so let's go ahead and get ready for that. It is Thursday now, and for today's project, we have an older gentleman, and we'll call him Greg, right? And so this poor man is unable to take care of himself. His caregivers do not feel comfortable stepping into the home due to the biohazards scattered all throughout the house. Unfortunately, Greg had hurt himself on this table and got biohazards on the floor, as well as having incontinence, so there is fecal matter and urine all throughout the carpet. He sleeps on the floor like this, which is really sad, so we're going to try our best to get him a bed once we're done here. There are tons of flies here as well, and that helped carry a lot of the filth over to his furniture during the last few years. So I'm using some of that Scrub Daddy power paste, and my plan here is to just simply work the product into the furniture pieces. And already you can see a pretty gnarly before and after. We picked up the glass super carefully here, and when it came time for the kitchen, I was busting out the plastic cling wrap method. I scrubbed everything down best I could, and before you knew it, we got the kitchen from this over to this. We got his dishes cleaned for him as well, and then we moved on to the bathroom. Poor guy hadn't had it cleaned in years, and I don't know, having a clean bathroom is dignifying. Everyone deserves that at the very least. Now we are getting a move on with the carpet. It was covered in biohazards, unfortunately, so we're going to hit it with our enzyme solution and our industrial carpet cleaner to extract all of it. It was super satisfying, but by the end of the day, we got the dangerous material taken out of the living room. We got the furniture cleaned off for the guy to chill in, and we got the kitchen done with his dishes put away alongside a super clean bathroom for this guy. All right, and so that just about wraps it up for this project today. I think we did pretty good. Just breathing in here, it smells so much freaking better. Holy crap. I'm thinking the guy who lives here is gonna be a lot happier with how this turned out.
and especially the social workers. That was the main issue. The government social services could not arrive on the site to help this gentleman because of the biohazards and the fecal matter that were present. So now that we're able to get that decontaminated and safe for people to come through, this person's gonna get their groceries delivered, their pharmacy medication delivered without any hindrance. So that's really good news for this person. Really happy with the way this turned out. Yeah, and I'll see you guys on the next project. Peace.